Today we're going to do our symmetrical snowflake. Symmetry is something if you fold it in half, it's the exact same on both sides. So you can see if I follow my line here, it's the same on both sides. It's the same here, it's the same here. Same thing with here. We're going to look at some examples of snowflakes. Here's a card that has all different kinds of snowflakes. Notice they're all symmetrical. You could fold it any direction, it would be the same. Here's some more snowflakes, and there's a paper with some snowflakes, just to give you some ideas. What you're going to do first is you're going to get a practice page. And on your practice page, with a pencil, you're going to practice making symmetrical snowflakes. You can use letters and numbers to just repeat it over and over again. You repeat it, and it makes it symmetrical. And then if you want to do like a little shape on the end, you can. You can turn your paper. This time I'm going to do one right side up, one upside down, as long as I repeat it over and over. Right side up, upside down. It's a little more challenging, but if you want to challenge, you could try that. And then again, you can put whatever shapes you want as long as you make the same one on one side and the other side. Now I'm going to do another one here. So you're going to practice your snowflakes on this paper. I want you to practice 4 different snowflakes that you would like to keep. Here I'm doing a letter and a number. It doesn't have to be letters and numbers, but this makes interesting patterns. And then you're going to take your paper and you're going to fold it, and you're going to fold it in half the hot dog way. Press down, line up the edges, open it up. I already started that. And you're going to fold it again the hamburger way, fold it, and then you're going to write your name on the back. This one you can see I did with pencil. And then I thought I probably don't want my pencil lines to show. So I'm going to do my practice ones, and that way I can do it right on here, right with my oil pastel. Now I know you can't see what I'm doing, but when you have it close up to you, you'll be able to see it close enough. So I want you to look at your design up here and copy that same pattern. Okay, when you have 4, I'm not going to do all 4 right now. You're going to do 4 different snowflakes, and then you're going to go over the lines, go right over those fold lines. And then we're going to paint it. So you're going to take your paint, and you're going to want a largish brush. Now remember, with these paints, we have to get it wet. I have to put our water, brush it around, and then I do the outside edges first, and you're going to get right along that fold line, but the oil pastel is going to keep your paint, hopefully, from going into the other sections. So do the outside edges first. Don't worry about getting paint on the table. We're going to wash it off. And then look what happens when I go over it. My pattern shows up. And you're going to do 4 different colors. You're going to fill your whole paper. When you finish with that, I have a snowflake activity for you on the carpet.